Ciao! Go big load! Go ziggity! All the energy in the world, come celebrate, enjoy, exercise, work hard, and let the games begin.
Amazing, eco-friendly,
energetic.
And really good fun to get out there.
I feel the atmosphere here is so high.
It's great to see all the people out coming to support each other and also participating in an active lifestyle.
And just building community with everyone. So some of the faculty get to play with students, which I think is really cool. So really building the community for VinUni.
This year, I find it very interesting because like a lot more sports, and it's very like inclusive, and everyone being like very super friendly yet very competitive.